चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
And on to the other big story that we've been tracking from the national capital. This is the high-level security grid meet which has been taking place in the North Block, being hemmed by the Union Home Minister Amit Shah. It's been 3 hours now that the meet has been taking place, in which top police officials from J&K as well as the Army Chief and even the NSA are in attendance. Let's go across to Harsha. She's outside the North Block. She's getting us the details of the security meet which is happening. Harsha, while we understand that the meet was supposed to be in 2 parts, second part of the meeting, which has now begun, is primarily going to focus on the Amarnath pilgrims, as the yatra is set to begin in just 13 days from now.
Yes, Samiksha, as you rightly pointed out, the phase 1 of the meeting is already concluded. Now the phase 2 of the meeting, which is primarily on the Amarnath Yatra, the phase 2 has already begun. And before that meeting, but we saw NSA Ajit Doval leaving North Block after the first phase 1 of the meeting concluded. Right now, the inside, the officials from the Jammu and Kashmir, CRPF, CISF, and also the officials are Union Home Secretary Ajay Bhalla, and along with it, there are several officials which are directly connected through online via video conferencing in the second phase of the meeting, because this second phase of the meeting is very important, Samiksha, if we want to, regarding the security arrangements which need to be heightened just a week or 2 before the Amarnath Yatra begins, to tell you that the all eyes are on Amartal Yatra, and we know that the route which pilgrims will be taking for Amarnath Yatra, Bartal, and the different routes and how the security should be ensured in that particular routes for Amarnath Yatra is what is being focused in the second phase of the meeting, and that is the reason. And with the back-to-back terrorist attack, 4 terrorist attack in Kashmir, in Jammu Kashmir region, it becomes very important that the security arrangements are heightened. There's a quick and the heightened vigilance in all the places where the pilgrims will be taking Amarnath Yatra, and that is the reason the second phase of the meeting primarily focuses on the Amarnath Yatra. We'll get more details when the meeting conclude, but right now the phase 2 has begun with all the officials from Jammu, all eyes on the preparation of the and security arrangement of the Amarnath Yatra. Back to you, Samisha.
Yes, Harsha, thank you for the moment. So, as we speak, the meet is underway and will continue until 4 p.m. For now, Harsha, thank you. We'll keep coming back to you.